So in the context of your Accelerate event, which is meant for the partners, I would like to know your vision for partnership in the context of Accelerate and how you assign value to the partners through Accelerate. Could you throw some light on your Accelerate events?
Yeah. Yes, Archana. So look, firstly, let me give a little context of what NetApp is doing, and then how we are working with partners in the ecosystem. Clearly, NetApp is very well poised to support customers on their digital transformation journey. And what it needs is very strong data management infrastructure, which we've done so well in the past. We are a leader in Gartner's Magic Quadrant. We figure on the top in every analyst report. We've gained market share in the last couple of quarters, almost to the extent of 4.5 to 5 points. Now, in the world that we are moving into, cloud will become very important. And most of our customers are embracing cloud. That acceleration is pretty good. But customers are also telling us that they are not moving away from on-prem. And customers are also telling us that they need to find a way for both the worlds to coexist. And that's what the IT industry calls hybrid cloud. Now, NetApp has really done, innovative work in combination of ecosystem with the hyperscalers and with technology. And we can manage data in a way that it really doesn't matter where it sits on-prem or private cloud or any of the hyperscalers. Our job is to manage their data. So I think that's what we are doing for our customers. Coming back to your question on partners, I think we need a very robust partner ecosystem with us because the work we do is very skilled, is reasonably high-end. And when you do work of that nature, you need deep relationships, you need folks who are engaged with customers, not just from a data management standpoint, but also across the board on multiple other technologies. So our partners play a very important role. We are 100% channel driven. And I think what we want to do is build deep relationships with a lot of trust. When I say deep relationship, it means that we go pick and choose our relationships. We work with them to scale the business. We work with them to do, innovative work with us. And that only happens when both sides are really engaged with each other over a period of 6, 8 months, 9 months, and stay the course together. So I think in the work that we want to do with our customers, our partners will play an extremely important role. We recognize this fully and completely. And our plan is to go work with those set of partners.
Okay, so to take this question forward, how do you empower your partners?
So I think first and foremost, the job of any technology provider and for a OEM like NetApp, I think our job is to create and build the market. And we own the technology, we've built our solutions. So we will go out in the market, do a lot of demand generation, do a lot of market making, do a lot of thought leadership, work with our customers and really build a demand where our partners can come in and work closely with us and work together for offering a solution to customers. So first is, our job is really to make sure that there is enough market opportunity around NetApp, both for our products and associated services that our partners can go work on. Second, I think, which is very important, is the whole area of skills. And NetApp has launched a program recently called Elevate, where what we do is we get a lot of technical folks of our partners, both pre-sales and the folks who implement, and take them through series of certification programs. And then we have graded the level of skill. So even if there are folks who are very young and who are early in their careers, they go join the program and go through the certification, and finally they become ambassadors of technology. So when you skill the workforce of the partners, then it really empowers them to work with their customers on this whole digital transformation journey. So that, I think, is the second piece. The third, I think, which is very important, is that NetApp being an OEM technology company, we give the space to our partners to go do services around what we do. And this could be implementation services, it could be transformation services, it could be a wide variety of stuff. So when our partners come work with us, it's not just about the NetApp technology, but also what goes and surrounds it. And like one partner was telling me that, look, if there is $1 of NetApp that goes, then they end up doing almost $3 or $4 of, either surrounding products or services and other stuff that they can do, around it.
So during these 2 years from 2020, most companies have faced a lot of hardship, and our partners also have faced hardship. And of course, it requires development of new market strategies. So in that context, how are you evolving your market strategies for the next 2 or 3 years?
Okay. So, before I answer this question, just a little comment that in the last about 6 or 8 months, I've met a lot of partners virtually or physically, right? And one of the things that I learned was that partners who were very focused around services did very well because their customers were in great need of their services, and to keep the lights on, to make sure that infrastructure is running well. So all services focused partners have done reasonably well because that was one assured revenue stream that was coming to them month after month, and that made sure that expenses got paid and so on. Now you're right that most of the businesses took hit; they didn't make as much money as they did in the past. But I can tell you, anybody with a strong services base was still pretty okay. Folks who are very product driven are the ones where I think the hardships were a lot more, for them. Now, what NetApp is doing is 2, 3 things, right? One, I think we are getting our partners to embrace with us on the hybrid cloud journey, because apart from the technology that goes, there's a lot of services on this hybrid cloud, right? From data migration to managing it seamlessly to security and so on. And hybrid cloud, as simple as it looks, brings some amount of complexity for folks really who are managing it on a day-to-day basis. So I think that's the first that we are doing, creating that market and creating opportunity for our partners to work with their services around it. The second, I think, is NetApp is coming with this pay-per-use model, which is you don't have to invest in capex everything upfront. You can go do it on an OpEx model and pay as you use, especially in businesses which will see some spikes on festivals or quarter ends or year ends and so on. Now, what that will do is that will open up the market, expand the market, and allow our partners to really engage their customers a lot more meaningfully. Given the way the trends look right now, I think partners who are very well aligned with us and who are keen to grow that partnership will find enough market opportunity in the next 12 to 18 months with us.
Okay, so this has been a very insightful interaction. Would you like to add something from your side in addition to whatever you have said?
Yes, so let me add a couple of more things, right, which can be useful for our partners. One is that NetApp India is really in an exponential growth mode, and even during the difficult times, and as you will see from analyst data, the India market for data management or for storage saw some decline, and even in these tough times, NetApp India gained reasonably good market share. But now that the market is back and things are looking a lot more stronger, we will be in an exponential growth mode. We have a very strong team inside. We have strong technology. And one of the things that I want to tell all our partners and everybody is that at least in the time that NetApp, which is just under a year, I have not heard a single customer complaint, not one, right? There can be teething and niggling issues which happen all the time and get fixed. But I haven't really met an unhappy customer which says that I bought NetApp and I had a hard time. A great testimony for our technology and our support. And my message to all our partners is that great business opportunity to scale their business, both from a revenue standpoint and from a profit standpoint, working with us. So we'll really look forward to the engagement over the next 12 to 18 months.
Thank you very much, Puneet.